Hey guys, this is Howard UBR Tech, and today we're going to disassemble and reassemble a Glock 23 Gen 4. I want to first give a big shout out to my buddy Pete. He let me borrow his Glock so we can make this video. Thanks again, Pete. Let's get on with the video. Here we go. For all the new gun owners, I'm going to show you how to make the gun safe. And we do that by pushing on the mag release right here. Now your mag drops out. You can see there's no ammo in there. Set that aside. And now that doesn't mean that the gun is safe yet. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to pull the slide back and we're gonna lock it to make sure we check inside and make sure there's no ammo in the barrel. So how to do that is we're gonna push up on this slide lock right here and we're gonna pull the slide back to the rear. So push up and hold, slide back, and then let go. You should feel it lock. And now we can look into the barrel and we can see that there's no ammo in there. And we are now safe. So we're gonna have to release the slide. So how we do that is we pull the slide to the rear again for a moment and pull down on the slide lock. So pull back, pull down, release. And that's it. So in order to take off the slide, what we're gonna have to do is with Glocks, all Glocks, you'll have to put the gun, point the gun in a safe direction and pull the trigger. Now what we do is, this is how I normally do it. I take the webbing of my hand and I put it right here on the gun, just like this. And then I take my fingers and I wrap them over the top. And then I'm gonna pull back. Now when I pull back, you're gonna hear a very slight click. And I'm gonna stop talking so you can hear it. You hear that slight click? Once you hear that click, you're gonna pull down on this tab and this tab right here. Pull down on both at the same time, and you're gonna release the pressure on your fingers on the top, and you're gonna feel the slide forward. And then once you take that off, we can put this down over here, and we can concentrate on the slide. All right, so now, how to take off the spring. We're gonna grab the spring from the skinny end right here, and we're gonna pull upward, and then it pops right out. Put that down. And now we're gonna take the barrel out. So this portion right here is the barrel all the way through here. Okay, this is your barrel block. And how I normally do it is I'll grab it from here and I'll pull up. And sometimes you have to slide slightly to the front of the gun, just slightly, and then all the way out, just like that. And then you're done. All right, let's put it back together. So pick up your slide, pick up your barrel. I usually hold it like this. Put the front end of the barrel right here into this hole right here, just like that, and then pull back and you can see your barrel block just plop right in. You're gonna take your spring and the fat end right there, this end, right, is gonna go into this hole right like that. And then, this is important to note, this portion of the spring right here has to go not on the front. Let me slide my finger back so you can see and the camera can focus. Not on the very first lip, but the second one, which is the half circle right here. That bottom portion right here has to rest right in here. And how we do that is we grip the slide just like this, and then you're going to be pushing backwards. You're gonna compress the spring this way while pushing down on the spring. So I usually take my thumb and I push back, and I take the other thumb and I push down. And then that's it. And it plops right in there. So as you can see, it's in there. So now that the slide is back together, we take this portion and also, let me show you these little spaces, okay? They go and they slide right on two rails right here. Boom and boom, okay? And you take that slide and you slide it back. And you can see they go right into that hole. Boom, slide it all the way back. Now in this, instead of sliding back and pushing up on the slide lock, what we're just gonna do is just gonna slide it back and file forward. That's it. Everything is back in place. The next thing I do is a function test. So what I do is I just take the slide, rack it a couple times, point the gun to a safe direction, pull the trigger. We now know that the gun is functioning properly. Now you can take your mag, put it back in, boom, done. You have now successfully disassembled and reassembled a Glock 23 Gen 4. If you thought this video was useful, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It really helps my channel to grow. If you have any questions at all, please put them in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And thanks again for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.